at JVI Secret Gardens here. Welcome back to another Garden Guides video. On this episode, we are going to talk about shrubs and pruning, something that y'all asked us about on Facebook a while back. If you have any questions that you would like us to cover in a Garden Guides video, be sure to like us and follow us on Facebook and let us know. The most important thing to know about pruning shrubs is to understand what you're pruning. Is it something that's going to bloom in the spring? Does it bloom later in the year? That's really going to help you determine what time of the year to prune it. If you're looking at pruning something like a FORSYTHIA or a generic azalea, things that bloom really beautiful in the early spring, I want you to put those aside and leave them be for a while. If you prune them now, you're going to damage those blooms that you love so much. Now, if you're looking at shrubs that are going to be evergreen, they're going to keep their leaves through the winter, you're also going to kind of hold off on those. ENCORE azaleas, hollies, boxwoods, if you trim them, you're going to encourage them to push new growth, which can get damaged in the cold. So hold off on those as well. So what can you prune in the winter? Great question. Your plants that go completely dormant, your hydrangeas, butterfly bushes, spirea, things that lose their leaves and just kind of stay that way through the winter. You can prune and shape your deciduous trees when it's cold enough where they're going to stay dormant and not continue to grow. Now, one of the shrubs I think we get a lot of questions about are hydrangeas. Certain hydrangeas bloom on old wood and certain ones bloom on new wood. If you don't know what hydrangea you have, wait until the spring after they're done blooming to do anything. You wouldn't want to cut them and then not have any blooms next year. Of course, there's so many shrubs that we couldn't cover in this video, so be sure to come in and talk to us about your specific plants. We can figure out what time to prune. We're going to take a closer look at pruning in a future Garden Guides video, so make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to check that out. It's an exciting time of year for us at the Garden Center, so make sure to follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook so you can see what's going on there. Thanks for joining us for another Garden Guides video. Come and see us soon. One of the most important things about pruning shrubs, what is that noise? Oh, that's our dinosaur. Let's go find it.